channel. If you're new here, my name is Milka Jonas. I share fun, real moments from everyday life. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always tuning in to watch my videos. So let's dive in into today's vlog. As the title suggests, today I'll be doing cleaning. There is something about cleaning with me that I love. So it's like a therapy for me. Yeah, that's the word. You know, when people advise you about like maybe stress or depression, all those things, they tell you when you feel stressed, when you feel like you're not in your real you, just find something to do. So for me, I always like cleaning or walking between the two because those two things are so attached to me when I just do cleaning and then smell the real, the after cleaning, it's so sweet. So for me, cleaning with me, it's like this. So I always have like a daily routine, a weekly routine, and a monthly routine for cleaning. So like there's places that I have to wash like daily if they need to be cleaned, but like kitchen, it's a must. That's a must daily. And then because that's where you cook from. And then for the bedrooms and the sitting area, let me see, sana upstairs, I always clean maybe once a week, but in my schedule there is that day that I must clean. For the monthly thing, it's the deep clean, like washing even the windows, under the beds, or any of those places that won't reach when cleaning just like weekly. I always do that the last week of every month. Now today being the last week of February, I want to start with the master bedroom. That's why I'll be doing the cleaning. Yeah, it's a bit dirty a little bit because I've been here last week. I really had a lot, and being honest, I did not clean. Being honest, I didn't clean on Wednesday. Oh, on Wednesdays, that's when I clean the rooms. I want to just give it the whole day, or I don't know, not the whole day, but some just few hours. I feel like it will take time, but I want to give it the time it wants. So. I know. So let's dive into today's vlog. Thank you for tuning in.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So guys, I'll start by sweeping the floor because it's so dusty, and then also I'll sweep our balcony because it has been so windy and it's full of like dry leaves. That's why I'll start, and then from there I always start with the bathroom because the bathroom needs a lot of my concentration there, and then huku kwingine hakuna kazi mingi vile, but bathroom and the balcony, I think they're the main part that need a lot of work, and I prefer starting from there. So let's start by sweeping the balcony, I think, and then we can now move to the bathroom, and then we finish, and that will be it. So keep liking the video, and thank you.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So guys, this is what I'll use to wash the toilet. This is just a normal washing powder. This one, sijui inaitwa Hurricane or something. This one and the Vim. So I'm going to soak the toilet and then wash it.
I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit.
Guys, my favorite piece. This is a very good mouthwash. It's a very good mouthwash. Yeah. What else? I think that's blessing time.
Feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
This is a very good body wash. Such a good body wash. And of course, we
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room, Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black.
So one thing I love about this side bed stool, it because it has this space here, and that's where I put my bedroom snack. Let me show you. This is Cheetos. Yeah, those ones. I love this snack. I love it. I know it's chilly. That one. So I just love putting it there. And then I pick one from there. I ate actually right now. Let me show you. Right now, I'm actually eating one of them as I'm doing cleaning. Yeah, this one. And I tell you, I don't know why I'm so obsessed with these things. Maybe they're chili, but I just love them. This one's yay crunchy. It's so crunchy. Hmm. Hmm. It's so sweet. Hmm. But they're so chilly, man. My husband, the one who introduced me to this snack, Cheetos. They're actually all the way from the US. My sister brought me. She knows I love them. My sister-in-law Mali brought me this one, and yeah. Uh, time to time, my husband also sends me some from the US because I love them for sure. Damn it. I can't find them here. Actually, I went to Chandarana supermarket. I saw them, but they are not the same as these ones. These ones, they're original. And then the other ones are, I can't say they're fake, but they're not even close to this one. Not even close. These ones, they're so crunchy. Can you hear them? They're so crunchy and just well chilled. It's called chill. Tell me to wake up and finish this thing, this vlog. I love them so much.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So, guys, we are done. I'm so happy. It took me karibu all day, but I was just stopping. I do something and then stop, go for lunch. But yes, I'm so happy. So, I want to show you the final look of our room, and it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Hey, this song that keeps running in my mind. Niliona TikTok, sijui pretty girl nina nina tita 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 tata. Ooh. So here it's the bed. God, I just love cleaning for sure. I just feel it's so cutesy, so beautiful. And my towel, when I change the sheets, I change the towel too. Yay! And then that's a place. It was looking so messy, but I'm glad I've arranged it. Oh, there's my husband. Then where else? Oh, yeah, lonely. I have to do it very soon. And then let me give you a view of this is the window, the bathroom. I'm so in love with it. God, it looks so cute. And I'll just put the carpets here, and then damn it, let's go. Pretty girl, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Ooh, so when I was washing, there was not this. I've just put it ilikuwa inachapwa chapwa na jua huko nje kidogo. The sink, the toilet, the floor, and then back to me. So that's the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. See you in the next vloggy on Sunday, 2 p.m. Bye.